Hello viewers, Microsoft latest optional update for Windows 11 KB5070311 introduced dark mode for File Explorer dialogs such as copy, move and delete. While this is a highly anticipated feature, the update also comes with a known issue. File Explorer may briefly flash a white screen when performing certain action in dark mode. The update, officially called 2025-11 Preview Update KB5070311. Build number is 26.200.7309. Is optional. You will need to manually click download and install to apply it. After updating, your system will run Windows 11 build number 26.200.7309 for version 25H2 or build 26.100.7309 for version 24H2. After installing the update on a PC with Windows 11 25H2, we observed that the white screen appeared almost everywhere except the ribbon and the navigation pane. Interestingly, the bug didn't appear in the insider build, which is unusual because insider builds are generally expected to have more bugs than the official updates. Microsoft has confirmed that File Explorer may briefly display widescreen and dark mode during the following actions. Number 1. Launching File Explorer to the home page. Number 2. Switching between home and gallery. Number 3. Returning to the home page from any other page. Number 4. Creating a new tab. Number 5. Turning details pane on or off. Number 6. Selecting more details while copying files. Microsoft is working on a fix. The company classified this white screen issue as a known problem and is actively working on a solution currently. There are no official workarounds and Microsoft has not disclosed the root cause of the bug. A Patch Tuesday update on December 9 may addresses the issue, but it's not guaranteed. If it is not fixed, then it is expected to be resolved in January 2026. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.